Hey guys, this is Moneymaker001. In this video, I'm going to show you some of the niches on Redbubble which are really low competition, as well as these niches are somewhat related to the trend which is coming, that is of Valentine's Day. So you can just grab some of these niches and start creating designs on these niches so that you can utilize this time and make some sales on Redbubble. Or if you are struggling to get your first sale on Redbubble, then this low competition niches are going to be the best for you so that you can get your first sale on Redbubble. So now let's get started and jump onto our computer screen.
A few moments later.
Computer screen, and the first thing you need to do is press and smash the subscribe button. This will give you 10 years of good luck. So now let's jump into the content as soon as possible. Okay, so here we are on our Redbubble, and the first niche which I'm going to share with you is this: man, I love frogs. Now why I have chose this one? Because this can be your entry in the animal niche. Okay, so if you are planning to create a Redbubble store which is related to animals, then this can be a very good entry, because this is a very trending keyword. And if you are going to make 5 to 6 to 10 designs related to this niche, there is a great chance that you are gonna get your first sale in this niche, and this can really be beneficial to you, and this can also make you money, as well as this would be a very good entry in the animal niche. As well as the designs which are available in are really very simple designs which you can create for this niche. Okay, and you can see the designs which are available. I won't say that these are very good designs. If you are somewhat of an artist, then you can definitely come up with the designs which are way more better looking than these designs which are available over here. And in that way you can just come and crush in this niche, and you can just make your store in the animal niche. Okay, so this is the first one, which is the low competition niche keyword which you can target. Now let's go to the second one. So the second one is nobody is listening. Okay, now this has 613 results. Now I am focusing on some of the keywords which have almost 500 to 1000 results. Why? Because most of the people are searching this type of keywords, and that's the reason why there is a great chance that you can make designs on that keyword. Now you can see that there are some of the designs, but these are very simple text based designs which are available for this keyword. Now you can get a little bit creative, and you can just make a different looking designs as compared to all the designs which are appearing over here. And in this way you can have a edge over all the other people who are competing with you in this niche. You can see this one looks really different and awesome. So you can also design something like this, and you can really come out in this niche, and you can really start selling your stuff. Okay, and you can also go with this type of stuff in the Valentine's niche, because Valentine Day is coming. Let me show you one of the niche which is related to Valentine's Day, as it is coming, and there would be a great opportunity for you to sell more designs. Okay, so the next one is going to be yoga is my Valentine. The best thing about this is that you are also you can create a store which is related to yoga, as well as you can target the keyword which is Valentine, and you can see there are very less results. And Valentine Day is the upcoming trend for now, and most of the people are willing to buy gifts for their Valentines. Okay, so there is a great opportunity for you if you are going to create designs related to this niche, and you can really get some awesome sales, because this is going to be really a very good trending keyword in which you can start working and making designs for. Okay, as well as it is also related to yoga, so you can just get your initial sales if you are planning to build a yoga niche store for Redbubble. That this can be a great opportunity for you. Okay, so just no matter your niche is yoga or any other niche, just think it out that how that niche can be related to something which is gonna be a trend. Okay, so that can be something really good. Now this is also related to Valentine's, and this keyword is really which is highlighted. Okay, on Redbubble, and you can see there are only pillow designs available. Most of them are pillow designs, but you can also create some t-shirt designs which are related to these keywords, and you can also target Valentine, because this is something which most of the people will love to buy on in this Valentine season. Okay, so you can just make out some of the t-shirts out of it, as well as many other things, because only pillows are available. Most of the you can see that most of the pictures are of pillow, only one t-shirt. So if you are gonna make some 5 to 10 t-shirt designs in this, then there is a big probability that if people are gonna buy something in this niche which is related to Valentine, then there is a great chance that your products will start selling. Okay, and as Valentine's Day is coming, this is something which you can do, and this type of designs will be a very good designs which you can sell really quickly. Okay, so definitely you can also go for this one. Now the next one is, okay, so now the keyword is really interesting. Okay, the hill we climb, but mostly you can see that the designs which are available on this are not something which are related to hills which a person can climb. So you can make some of the designs which are related to mountains and all that stuff, and you can just target this keyword. Okay, just don't rely on these quotes and everything, but you can make a very good design which is related to mountain niche and all this stuff. And you can also start uploading designs in this niche. Just make 3 to 4 designs which look really awesome, and that would be a great opportunity for you to get some sales in this niche also. And this is something which is really interesting, because related this type of keywords are very good, and you can see that there are no quality designs which are related to this keywords are available. Okay, so if you make this type of designs in which you show a person climbing a hill, then there is a great opportunity that you will get very good sales in this niche. Okay, and this is also a very good keyword for you, because there are only 490 keywords, and if you are going to make some designs in this nation category, then this is also going to be really good and awesome for you. So I hope that you will take action in one of the categories, and definitely make designs for the Valentine's Day, as it is the biggest upcoming trend, and most of the people have started doing their shopping for their Valentines. Okay, so just get ready and just make some designs for that. Okay, we'll see you.
One eternity later.
Guys, these are some of the awesome niches in which I am working, as well as you can also work on these niches and create designs regarding these niches, so that you can get your sales and you can make more money. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay happy, stay subscribed, and thanks for watching.